Hello everybody, today we're looking at a new rogue called My Security Engine. It is based on the Fakevimes family of rogues, and here it is. As you can see, it looks pretty much the same as all of the other Fakevime rogues. It removes Trust Warrior, and for some reason in Sandbox it screws with the mouse. Still got the malware eliminator thing here. I do not want to remove threats, so I click this. I guess I got a little target thing, or whatever, and it goes ahead and deletes files on its own. I've also got, as you saw, the scanner. Let's go ahead and stop it now. Try to go to the website, see what we've got. security-engine.com, I guess. And I believe this is a legitimate Windows firewall alert. I'm not going to allow it to do all of that. I guess scan my network or something. That couldn't be good. We've got a little thing at the bottom down here that says My Security Engine activated. Plus activate to get ultimate protection. Okay. I'll do that. Professional assistance for your Windows PC. Okay. We've still got the save only now 60% thing on the side. And yeah. Anyway, let's get back to this page, which is still opening or something. There's My Security Engine. Apparently it's like a shield or something, but with wings. That's a pretty cool logo, I gotta say. I mean, they really made their rogue look nice. At least the icon. Let's see if we can see it on another page. Threat Center. I guess it just doesn't want to load that picture of the box. Or will it? My Security Engine. That logo just looks kick-ass, I think. I mean, that looks really nice. Let's try to leave a comment. Nope, guess we can't leave a comment. Let's read some of these user reviews. Alan in Minnesota says, better than everything I tried before, really easy to use, thanks Alan. Okay. Vicky in North Carolina says, now I am not thinking of my security anymore thanks to My Security Engine. That is probably why these people are being infected with rogues. Well, I am not really computer literate, and it is so great that everything is automated, and I do not have to worry about what to click and press. That's very convenient for me. Another reason why people are being infected. Jason in Iowa. I do not know much about this stuff, but what I can say is that I like it, thanks. Alright, they don't know about it, but they're going to go ahead and say that it's good. That is why we have a lot of problems. If we go to live support, let's try this bad boy out. Waiting for it here. It's taking a while. I'm not even going to screw with it. It's probably the same. And that is pretty much it for My Security Engine.